Now that you've prepared your information returns, let's file them electronically. First, let's make sure your electronic filing settings are complete. Click on the Electronic Filing menu and select Transmitter Setup. The transmitter information is the contact information for the company responsible for transmitting the data. The accounting and technical contacts must also be filled in, but may be the same person. Both the CRA and the MRQ assign you an individual transmitter number. Enter this number in the corresponding field here. If you are unsure of your transmitter number, contact the CRA or MRQ directly to retrieve it. If you do not have a CRA assigned transmitter number, you must enter the default number specified below the field. For more information on transmitter setup and for contact information for the CRA and MRQ, refer to our user guide. Now that you've updated your settings, you are ready to e-file your tax returns. Click on the Electronic Filing menu and select which agency you are filing your returns with. We'll select the CRA here. Step 1 is to select which companies you are filing returns for. Select the companies by checking the box to the left, and the selected companies will appear in the field on the right. For more advanced company selection tools, click on More. This will open the filtering menu, which allows you to filter company selection by filing status, printing status, company category, and by user-defined groups. Step 2 is to select which returns you are filing. One type of return will be automatically checked when you open the e-filing page. If you have the Plus or Enterprise versions of eForms, you may select multiple forms for batch filing. Step 3 allows you to review and confirm your transmitter information and the desired location for your XML submission file. Click on Transmitter Setup to open the Electronic Filing tab of the user settings. Click on Set Output Folder to check the location of your XML output. You will need to browse to this location from the government website when submitting your file electronically. The recommended default location is the XML output subfolder of the eForms program folder, but you may change the location if required. Now set your filing options in Step 4. If you are submitting directly to the government websites, select Internet. In the Plus or Enterprise versions of the software, you can also opt to save the XML file to CD or DVD. Select the status of the slips you are submitting, whether they are original, amended, or cancelled. In the Enterprise version of eForms, you also have the option of submitting pre-selected slips for special e-filing. You are now ready to validate and prepare your XML file for submission. eForms will now validate your data to check for any errors. You can choose to validate only, just to check your data before submission, or you can choose to validate and file if your submission is ready. Click on XML File and Validation Report to validate your data for filing. On your validation report, non-critical errors will be listed only as warnings. These are errors which can be corrected, but will not invalidate your submission to the government website. Errors that will invalidate your submission are listed as critical errors and must be corrected before eForms will generate an XML file. The critical error notice will tell you the company, slip, and error and provide you with a link to the error in question. Click on the link to correct the error, close the page, cancel the validation report, and click XML File and Validation Report again. When your submission is valid, a green Next button will appear on your validation report. Click Next to proceed to the final e-filing page. Step 6 tells you the name of your XML file and its location on your computer. You will need to browse to this location from the government website to find your file and file it electronically. To review the file, you are given the option to look at and print a list of all the returns in your submission, and even to view the actual XML file itself. If you wish to rename or move the XML file on your computer, these options are available under the Advanced button. Once you are satisfied with the name, content, and location of your submission, you are ready to submit the file to the CRA website. If you wish to file at a later date or wish to cancel this XML submission, proceed directly to Step 8. confirm that you wish to submit it later, or that you wish to cancel the submission, click Finish, and exit the electronic filing. When you are ready to file your return, click on the Go to the Internet Filing webpage button to open the CRA website in your web browser. Once there, enter your business number and web access code to enter the site. When filing for multiple companies, use your own firm's business number and web access code. Browse to the file location on your computer specified in Step 6. Find your file, select your file, and submit it. When you are finished submitting your return, print your confirmation of receipt and simply close your internet browser to return to eForms electronic filing to complete Step 8. Once you have completed filing your return to the CRA, confirm that you have submitted your return and enter the confirmation of receipt number in Step 8. You have now filed your return with the CRA and recorded the submission in eForms. You can also add any additional comments to the eForms submission record here. Now click Finish to record the submission in the eForms database. You can review your e-filing submissions at any time by clicking E-Filing History Report on the electronic filing menu. Select the companies, returns, and date range you wish to review and click Preview Print. The e-filing history report will list all your selected submissions, including all pertinent information and comments. Additional training videos and our user guide are available through eForms and on the AvanTax.ca/eForms website. For further questions, email support@avantax.ca or phone to speak directly with our expert support staff.